Yo! Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jemar, a proud Filipino WordPress developer. Living proof that kahit may brown out, slow internet, at kuripot clients, we survive. So today, I'll share some fun and very real facts about being a WordPress developer in the Philippines. And how we still manage to feed our families kahit hindi kami call center agents or nurses abroad. Let's go! Alright, so fun fact number one, you're a WordPress developer, so you know everything, right? Once people hear you're a developer, especially WordPress, they think you are some kind of a tech wizard. For example,
Anak, can you fix our printer? Can you install Netflix sa TV namin? Can you make my sari-sari store go viral?
Ate, I just wanna build your website, not your Wi-Fi. Diba? Ganun yun. Sobrang ang laki na ng expectations nila sa atin na akala nila ganun na tayo ka-powerful na kaya na natin gawing lahat. Hindi lang website, pati na yung mga printer nila, mga sari-sari store na gawing viral daw. Alang yan naman yan. Ang dami ka talagang mga kakilala din na naka-experience na ng mga ganito, no? May mga nagpapagawa sa kanila ng mga website, pero iba din yun. Parang sobrang laki din ng expectation nila para sa kanilang website. For example, gusto nilang website is ganito na kalaki yung scope. Pwede nang gawa ng membership, lahat, referral, feature, mga ganyan. Pero yung offers lang is yung build lang ng site. Simple pages or ilang pages lang. Mga ganun. So, ayan na. Hindi na natin patatagalin to. Proceed na tayo sa fact number 2, which is plugins are life and death as well. Let's go. So, in WordPress, we love plugins. But sometimes, plugins don't love us back. One moment, everything's working fine. Next thing you know, you installed one free plugin from a random blog. Boom. White screen. Site down. Panic time. And then, client will say,
What happened? I didn't touch anything.
but deep inside, you know, they touch something. Ouch. Kaya ikaw, kung WordPress developer ka man o kahit anong may CMS platform pa yan, huwag kang padalos-dalos sa pag-install ng mga plugins kasi babalik at babalik din sa development mo yan at ikaw din mismo ang mag-fix kung may mga hindi nagkakaunawaan na mga plugins. Ibig sabihin, conflicts. Ayun lang. Alright, so hindi na natin patatagalin pa. Nandito na naman tayo sa ating pangatlong fun fact, which is the budget meal clients. Only in the Philippines will you hear this line.
Can you make me a full e-commerce website with payment, shipping, booking, live chat, SEO, mobile app? Pero sana mga 3,000 pesos lang, ha? Fixed budget yan.
Wow! For 3,000 pesos, gusto mo na ng Shopee level website? Gusto mo pa yata may pa-free coffee? Ang galing, no? May Shopee ka na, may kape ka pa. Walang ya naman talaga itong mga to. So, ang next naman natin na fun fact, no? Which is yung fun fact number 4 is working from home the Filipino style. As Filipino developers, working from home isn't always peaceful. You got the dogs barking, kapitbahays karaoke competition, and sometimes you're doing a Zoom call while shouting.
Ma! Pakisaksak yung wifi!
And don't forget the classic brown out. While deploying updates, you haven't felt real fear until you've updated a live site and then black out. Boom! Good luck na lang. At para naman sa ating panghuli, which is this is the number 5 fun fact as being WordPress developer, despite everything, we provide for our families. Now here's the best part. Even with small projects, inconsistent clients, and random tech issues, we still support our families. We pay bills. We send siblings to school. We even help sa groceries, all while sitting in front of our laptops wearing sando and shorts. We hustle. We freelance. We take client calls at 2 a.m. para lang makasabay sa US time zone. Nakaka-proud lang pakinggan na kahit ganito ka-unstable, kaya natin siya masasabing unstable, kasi nga, hindi naman sa lahat ng araw, sa lahat ng buong taon, nangangailangan yung mga ibang lahi sa atin, sa ating mga developer. Nakaka-proud lang isipin na yung mga yon is nakakapagbili tayo ng mga kakailanganin natin dito sa bahay at sa kung saan pa yan. Yun lang. At hindi mawawala yung ating bonus fact. Ito yung we Google everything. And let's be honest, we Google almost everything. How to fix WordPress widescreen, how to center div, how to politely tell a client their logo is pangit. Kahit nga mga reply natin sa ating mga client is tina-chat GPT na natin, di ba? Kahit yung chat GPT, dinadaan din natin yan sa Google. Yun lang. So to all my fellow Filipino WordPress developers out there, saludo ako sa inyo. Keep pushing, keep building, and keep laughing through the bugs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your most nakakatawang client story, and subscribe for more dev life content. Because at the end of the day, we may not be rich, but at least we can hide all our problems inside one clean, responsive, mobile-friendly container. Peace out!